Hi everyone, it's Rick, and today we're going to show you another great example of the magic of Instantbond. Okay, what we have here is a PVC pipe that was inadvertently cut, and this has got to be put back into action as fast as possible. So this will show you the magic of Instantbond, how we can fix something like this within seconds, and it is as strong as the original. Okay, so here we go. And again, I'm doing this as we speak. There's no practice here, so hopefully everything works out. So as we have here, this is the adhesive and that's the activator. So and as you can see here, we've put on a Velcro so you can stick it together conveniently. Isn't that nice? Other people should think of stuff like that. So here we go. You can use the adhesive alone, but we suggest to use the activator because the activator works as a primer and it helps the adhesion. And of course, it speeds from 8 minutes to 3 to 8 seconds. And I mean 3 to 8 seconds. You really do have to practice with this because let me tell you, this really works. And sometimes, if all is equal and the weather is perfect, you're at 3 to 4 seconds. So don't be surprised, but you should practice on a piece first. So here we go. For this application, what I'm going to do, because I don't want the adhesive to flow around everywhere, I'm gonna prime it with the activator first. But you know, you really won't have much time with this. So activator is like it acts like similar to butane. It flash dries, and once it's on there, it's on for good. So I've got the activator on here right now, so the adhesive will take very quickly. So we use the same principles when we put a plug into a wall. We drill a hole, and then we spray the activator first, and then we squeeze the adhesive, and so it forms right away, and you can put a screw in there. You've got the best absolute wall anchor in drywall, or especially concrete. All right, so here we go. So this has been activated. So now when I when I pour the adhesive over, it will adhere very quickly. So depending on how wide you want it, just work at it, and you can build up with this. I can already feel it. So right now I'm going to spray the activator on top so that way it'll form right away and I can build this up. That's another great use of Instantbond. You can build a product up. You can space things out. So that is hard already. So now I can finish it off. I can actually put another layer on top of this. You can't do this with anything else. This is like a weld over here. You can't do this. Okay? Look at this. It's hardening as I put it on. So what I do is I use the top to spread things around. Of course, don't get this on your fingers because let me tell you, there's nothing better to stick your fingers together. And if you do, the only thing that'll take it off is acetone, and you can just peel it off very gently. So there we have it. And on top, I'll spray the activator again. And there you have it. You know, give this, 10 more seconds. But that is rock hard, rock solid. There's nothing else that can do this. And I'm telling you, there's nothing else. And I guarantee this. So this is another great use of Instantbond. Of course, you can use it on everything else, but you know, when you can have a product that will harden within seconds, it's a different concept. It's a tool for you. Okay, so here we go. It's all done. This is ready to go back into work. And other than that, I can't think of anything else that you could do this with. All right. So this is Rick, and until next time, goodbye.